curve sketching, you have this curve. Question 3, you have what? X, Y. Okay, you have 10 here. You have 3.47. You have 20. You have 5.50. You have 35. You have 10.47. You have what? 50. You have 20.89. I want to review question 2 in the next video, please. You had a bit of words. 60. You have 33.11, and you have here A, and you have 79.43. This curve sketching, you have y is equal to a dx to the power x. Okay, you are asked to plot a straight line graph. Remember the equation of the curve is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, we have x at this point, therefore we need to make it look in this form. This is the y coordinate, this is the slope of the graph, this is the x coordinate, x axis, and this is the constant. Okay, this is the y axis, this is the slope, and that is the constant. Let's take a look at it. We can have it by using the link function of this point to in y is equal to ln a dx. You know that ln ab is equal to ln a plus ln b. Hence, you are going to put ln y is equal to ln a plus x ln b. Okay, since ln of e to the power x is equal to x ln a, you know about this. Okay, hence you are going to put ln y is equal to x ln b plus ln a. Here you have the y axis, the x axis, the slope, and here's the y coordinate. That's at the point where the graph gets along the y axis. Okay, that is it. Okay, hence we are going to plot a new table of what? Ln y. Okay, we are going to have x against ln y. Hence, at this point, I'm going to include ln y here. Okay, ln y. Okay, I'm going to include ln y by appending bit of 1. I'm going to plot a graph of ln y against x. See you in this other video that was a continuation from this point. I'm going to take it from question 1 to